Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. This video is a welcome video. If this is your first time visiting this channel, it's great to have you here. Thank you for visiting. This channel is about affiliate marketing, but it is different. And the difference is my focus is on free. I'm going to share another difference with you a little bit later. If you're new to affiliate marketing, or if you're considering affiliate marketing can be the absolute best choice you could ever make. It has the potential of changing your life. You can work from home. You can work at your own pace. It is your business. You can start part-time, you can grow it to full-time, you can use it to replace your present income, and you can do this for absolutely zero, absolutely no cost at all. In addition, you have a 7 to 8 figure income potential. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding as well as enjoyable. This video, of course, is to invite you to join my channel. I do have over 20 years of experience as an affiliate marketer, and on this channel I share what I've learned. Now, often I will share what I'm actually doing at the time, sharing my affiliate marketing adventure with you. As I'm doing it, you get a chance to look over my shoulder and follow what I'm doing step by step. And as you probably know, the fastest way to get from point A to point B, the fastest way to get from getting started to being successful is to follow in someone else's footsteps, and I'm inviting you to follow in mine. And if you'll watch a few of my videos, you will see that another difference is that I practice what I preach. I'm going to talk a little more about that later. As far as my initial affiliate marketing, I had horrible results. I mean, pretty much no results at all for almost a year. I did terrible at affiliate marketing. And then between a year and a half, somehow I managed to figure things out enough to where I started seeing some steady successes, some steady increases, some steady growth, and some steady income. Now, what I've learned, much of what I've learned about affiliate marketing, I learned the hard way. I learned it through trial and error, and sincerely it was mostly error. My learning process was to figure out what worked by doing all the things that didn't work first. At least that's the way it seemed, and that is not what you want to do. So that's not what you want to do. That's the hard way, that's the long way, and that's the difficult way. Now, of the many things that shaped me as an affiliate marketer, there are two that made my marketing unique, and my affiliate marketing, the fact that it is unique, is going to be very helpful to you, and you're going to see what I'm talking about in just a moment. Of the many things that did not work for me as a newbie, and I mean just about everything did not work for me as a newbie, and one of those things was advertising, paid advertising. It just didn't work. It was a losing proposition, and of course it was my own fault in a sense because I didn't know how to do it. I think that's true of most new affiliate marketers. It certainly was true in my case. Paid advertising turns out to be a liability instead of an asset. So I stopped paid advertising, but I still needed traffic, of course, so I believe I tried just about every possible way that I could discover back then as a way to generate free traffic, and of course some of them worked, some of them worked very well, some of them didn't work well, and some of them didn't work at all. Of the ones that I tried, there was one method that worked extremely well, and it was called the bum marketing method. This is one of the things that I used and still use to this day. It works, and it really works well. This is one of the things that I share in my training. If you'd like to learn more about bum marketing, I'm going to include a link below to the first video in my training series, How to Make $150 a Day as an Affiliate Marketer. And you will find bum marketing and a whole lot of other stuff, siphoning, niche marketing, all kinds of things all kinds of training that you're going to need. I'm going to take you from A to Z. What's good about bum marketing, what I discovered was that what I eventually discovered is that I figured out a way how to use bum marketing to make my traffic grow and grow and grow, and also to generate traffic almost on autopilot. That really is fantastic, and no offense to paid advertising, but with paid advertising it is kind of like a faucet. When you're paying for that advertising, the faucet is on, and when you're not, the faucet is off. And with bum marketing, the faucet is on whether you're doing this or not. So that's what I mean by autopilot. I'll leave a link to the first video in my training series, $150 a day, and I hope you'll check it out. Now there's another marketing experience that not only changed my marketing, it changed kind of my whole attitude, my whole perception about affiliate marketing. And it changed much of what I do. So it changed kind of my whole marketing process. And one of the things that I did as a new affiliate marketer is I set up review sites. I still do review sites. Review sites do work. Initially I was reviewing web hosting, and I did kind of a top 10 approach, and I would list the top 10 web hosts, and then I kind of gave that a little bit of a twist, and I included a couple of web hosts that were bad web hosts. And back then there were some bad web hosts. I mean, bad service, a lot of downtime, and so on. This is back when the dinosaurs roamed the internet. Nowadays, to the best of my knowledge, every web host is going to give you excellent service and is going to give you excellent uptime. So every web host nowadays is excellent, whether they're free or paid. But back then, my thinking was there's some bad web hosts. I'm going to include a couple of these bad web hosts in my reviews, and that way people will kind of know which web host they probably should avoid, as well as which web host they might want to consider. So I included that in my hosting and my reviews, and it helped my reviews. Then I thought, well, okay, I'm going to add a free host. And the idea, of course, back then was, or at least my thinking was, that free hosting is terrible. It's it's free. Anything that's free is terrible, or certainly poor, because it's free. And what I discovered was that free hosting was not terrible. It was excellent. It was really excellent. It was on a par with the best web host. Excellent uptime, excellent service, and there was one particular free web host that had a site builder, and that site builder was probably the best site builder on the net. Back then, most free web hosts did not have site builders. They used a process called FTP, which simply means that you create your web pages typically with an HTML editor, and then you upload them by way of file transfer protocol, which is FTP. You upload them to your website. And this one had a site builder, and one of the best. So what I discovered was that free wasn't bad after all. Free was in fact good. In fact, free was not just good, it was excellent. Free was better than most paids, yet it was free. So it kind of really helped me to turn myself around when it come to free. And over time, I discovered that there is a free tool, a free resource, a free web host. There's a free version of whatever you're going to need that is probably going to be just as good as the paid version, maybe even better. So I changed my reviews. I did add free web hosting to it, but instead of telling people don't go to free web hosts, it was like, look what I found out about these free web hosts. They're fantastic. You will find a link below to my ultimate list, and my ultimate list is simply a collection of free tools. I've tried to put together a list of just about every tool that you might need. They're excellent tools and they're free. Another thing that I want to share with you about affiliate marketing is a little bit of bad news, and that's something that I've learned, and you're probably going to discover, or maybe you've already discovered it, is that new aspiring affiliate marketers are actually a highly targeted niche. So you've got to be a little bit careful, because most helping hands are actually helping themselves. They're not really helping you. They're simply trying to sell you something that you need. On my channel, again, which is different, you're going to find out that yes, you might need these tools, and yes, you might need these resources, but you don't have to pay for them. You can use them for free, and then once you start generating income, then you can start looking at some of your paid options. My advice is to not spend money until your business can afford it. Spend money, yes, spend money to grow, yes, but when your business can afford it. Again, I am one of the few affiliate marketers that are on YouTube that are actually in the trenches doing what I share. I'm not a YouTube influencer. I'm an affiliate marketer that is simply trying to share what I'm doing, and I'm hoping that you're going to benefit and that I'm going to be able to help you avoid many of the mistakes that I made that you don't need to make. Now, one of the important things about getting started for free is that when you make money, it's actual profit. If you're spending $100 a month, $200 a month, $300 a month or more, and that's pretty easy to do. But when you're spending that now, if you make $25, $50, or $100 or $200 or even $300, you're barely breaking even, and you might even be still losing money. And what I've also discovered is that the number one reason why businesses fail is because they're not making money. The number one reason why affiliate marketers fail or quit, which is the only way you can fail in this business, the only way that you can fail as an affiliate marketer is to quit. And the number one reason for quitting is because you're not making money. So this channel is about helping you to get started, helping you to get started for free, and helping you to make money as soon as possible. And the idea is that when you do make money, it is a profit, so you're not losing money, so ultimately to help you not to quit. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big old thumbs up if you would. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thank you so much. And if you haven't joined my channel yet, I invite you to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Ring the bell. That way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.